Can we have a couple more spotters, quickly? A couple more spotters.
At least wait till there's a streamer out, so you can look like you're trying to put the streamer.
We got 3 feet last time, so it's still like 4. One more. One more.
Just making sure we've got enough spotters to get higher. Must have a pilot spotter up this farm.
That's what we're doing last one.
Safety paramount, Rob. So we need to make sure we've got everything to a spotter.
Last one, yeah?
Are we ready? Yeah, it should be good fun. Got yellow streamers, red streamers. See who's going to win which. Who's going to be outstanding at the end of the day. I'm going to go red. I'm going to go red. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, so we got basically we've got to just take each other around and cut the streams off. Yeah. So I see that red one across the lot. I know, and I said I was going to be red. Come on, yellows. Oh, the red's up.
Yeah. Pete? Pete? Pete?
Someone's just tangled up. There you go. Right, come on, yellow. Yeah.